we're going to do a little walkthrough of the garden equipment and enjoy the background. We're at the Mannheim Farm Show. We got the Clinton, which is a 1947 Choremaster cultivator. And we can thank Dave's Lawn and Garden for putting this back together. Alright, there's that one. Alright, next up is 1952 Choremaster. Double action sickle bar. Check that out. And Dave's Lawn and Garden again. Look at that. Alright, check this out. This is the Roebling lawnmower. AG Fauna stock sold this one. What's this, a 1956, I think? That's pretty cool. Alright, next up we got 1947. Look at this lawnmower, 1947. Check that out, bro. That's awesome. Alright, and also we have the 1926 Fairbanks Morse 2 horsepower engine with the plate mill. Alright, there's a little part of the lawn and garden section at the Mannheim PA Farm Show. Alright everybody, we will get more videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.